Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix message request not showing on your Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first that you have to just simply close this page. Now after that open App Store and open search and search for Instagram, and after that tap on Instagram, and from here guys you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram. If you have any update, then simply read first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply open Instagram again, and from here guys tap on your profile, tap on here three lines, and from here guys scroll it below and locate for message and storage replies. So guys here it is. So guys simply tap on it. Now after that guys simply tap on message controls, and after that you can see here your follower on Instagram, others on Instagram. So guys simply tap on others on Instagram, and after that guys you have to turn this toggle on to message request. If it is tap on don't receive request, so guys simply tap on message request and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, and you have to just simply check for the down detector. So guys if there is no down detector, then simply go back and again go back, and after that scroll it below, then tap on help, then tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue, and after that simply describe your problem in a brief way from here, and after that give a screenshot of your problem, and after that submit to the Instagram, and hopefully they will try to fix your problem in 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.